Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be covering how we change the language depending on the user's navigational language in their browser. Now, in the last episode we covered how you can change your dark and light style using a toggle button on your map, but today we're going to be carrying on from there, and inside of our REPL, which if you don't know how to create, view my first video in the series, it will tell you all about it. But getting started, we're going to define our user language, and inside of that, we're going to look for the navigator language by default, and we're going to log that to the console, and that will allow us to check whether or not we have the right code. We're actually splitting it at the hyphen so we can get a readable value that Mapbox can use. And once we've logged that to the console and read it out, then we'll be able to carry on from there. Now we're running a function when the map loads, and we are getting the style and the text fields, and we're changing that accordingly and dynamically with whatever result we get from the user language constant. Now, in saying that, what I do first is I preview it with French, so I hard code this in with FR, and I do this because my actual language is English, so you wouldn't see any difference. So we hard code it first, and then once you get that result, and it's correct and French works, then I add in the dynamic version, allowing for user language to be set depending on the navigation language. And you can see down here, I've actually got two typos where text field has a C at the end. Don't do that, I actually take that out. And also we've got the map set layout property, and I miss capital L in my function. So don't do that, but that won't be there in the final cut of the code. So as you can see, that works. Now I'll go back and I'll change the French language default to a dynamically pulling from the user language constant. And you can see this works just fine. So I hope this helped you in your Mapbox journey. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.